In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $10,000 per month using YouTube Shorts and a couple of other websites that I'm going to discuss with you in a bit. So make sure you follow with me from the start till the end so you don't miss out on any important information. And no, this strategy doesn't require you to show your face on video or to make videos or to be monetized or anything like that. For those of you that don't know, YouTube Shorts are short videos as the name suggests. They're like Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. And a lot of people have made so much money from them. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make money from them too. And best of all, guys, you don't have to film a single thing. You don't need a camera. You don't need a mobile phone. You don't need to show your face or record your audio. None of this stuff. And guys, you don't even need to be monetized by YouTube to make money from these shorts. So if you guys want to set up a good income stream from these shorts, I suggest you watch with me till the end so that you can see how it all works. So guys, the first thing we want to do is, yes, you guessed it right, we need to go to YouTube and you want to search for any popular niche. In this case, I chose cats. So I typed funny cats. And as you can see, loads of views, 59 million views, 116 million views, and so on and so forth. But you don't have to do cats, guys. It can be any niche that you're passionate about or you feel that there's a good demand in that niche. Anything that has the potential to go viral. So for example, people love cats and the cat niche has a great potential to go viral. So that's why I chose it. And guys, we're not going to take any video from these videos. We want to make sure that we take the videos that we're allowed to take from YouTube. And let me show you how. You go click on filters and then you filter by Creative Commons. And check this out, guys. This video has received 11 million views, 7.6 million views, 3 million views. And the great thing is you can use any of these videos, guys. If you don't just want to use one video, you could take 4 or 5 videos, cut segments from them and make them into a compilation that is less than 1 minute long. And guys, because we're using Creative Commons, we can download and upload these videos because they are free from copyright. But guys, these videos are not short videos. So I'm going to show you how we can turn them into a short video. So bear with me, guys. For now, guys, to make things simple, just choose any one of these videos. I'll choose this one, for example. And then we're going to go to Google and we're going to type YouTube video downloader. This one is one of the popular ones. So click on it and then copy the link from your video. And you go ahead and paste your link right here. We always want to get the best resolution possible. So we're going to get this one right here and download. And then next, guys, we're going to go to Canva where we're going to convert that normal video into a short. And you can do this for free, guys. I'm going to leave you a 30-day free trial down below in the description and you can do all of this free of charge. They have loads of templates, but in our case, we're going to type YouTube Shorts and we're just going to go ahead and click on create a blank YouTube Shorts. And I've also added link in the description and you'll find that why in just a bit. So now we need to drag and drop our original video that we downloaded from YouTube and we need to fix the resolution. So now we've fixed the issue with the resolution. It's a shorts compatible resolution now, and we've added the link in the description. You'll find that why in just a bit. The third thing that we need to do now is we need to choose a section of the video that is no longer than 60 seconds because you'll want to keep it under a minute. You have loads to choose from here because it's a longer video and it's full of funny cat moments. You basically just click on the video right here and then click on the scissors button right here. That way you can trim the video however you want. And then when you're finished, you can click done. And as you can see, the video is now trimmed to just the section that you selected. Now you can just click on share and then download. And then you want it as an MP4 video and then click on download. Done, guys. Now that you've downloaded your video, you need to go right here and click on create and then click on upload video. And now you just select your file and you'll come to this screen right here. You need to enter your title and it's very important that your title contains hashtag shorts and it contains a very powerful keyword like funny cat moments. And you can repeat the same thing for the description. This way you kind of reinforce the keyword that you're trying to target. Now you can choose whatever keyword you want, like funniest cat ever or funny cat moments ever, something like that. Something to intrigue the viewers, to draw them in to watch your short video. And the reason why we do hashtag shorts is so that YouTube recognizes it as a short, not as a regular video. And we all know that shorts have way better reach than regular videos at the moment. In terms of the thumbnail, you don't need to worry about that. Since thumbnails don't really work on shorts that much, from my experience at least, I would just choose a thumbnail from the video that is catchy and that we feel that it might draw or attract some eyeballs to our video. If you have a few shorts in the same niche, then you can select a playlist and keep all your videos within the same niche. This way, YouTube will keep recommending your videos and you'll get better views overall. Tags are important, guys. This is what tells YouTube what your video is about, and it helps the the YouTube algorithm to promote your videos. You don't need too many tags, just make sure you keep them as relevant as possible. So we'll put funny cats, funniest cat ever, funny cat moments, stuff like that. You get the gist of it. I'm using this extension called TubeBuddy and it gives me ideas about tags, so it's pretty handy. You could choose to add end screen if you want to. As you start making more shorts, you basically start recommending your other shorts at the end of your short videos to keep the viewer interested in your videos and staying in your channel. You could also add cards at any moment of the video, and then that's it. You click on next and you upload your video. That's simple, guys. Now I want you guys to go to this website called Merch by Amazon. You click on it and then you click on sign up. It's by invitation only. I've made a video to show you how you can apply to get a Merch by Amazon account. I'll leave you the link down below in the description. You may get accepted, you may not get accepted. In case you don't get accepted, guys, we can create your Merch by Amazon account for you. I'll also leave you the link down below in the description and you can get it within 24 hours. Now, why am I asking you to go to this website? You'll find out in just a second. For those of you that don't know what Merch by Amazon is, it's a website which allows you to put designs of anything that you'd like, as long as it's not copyrighted, of course. And guys, believe it or not, Amazon will sell that design and you'll get paid royalties for every single design that Amazon sells. And this could be passive income, guys. As we know, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world and you have the ability to sell in that platform free of charge. And that's how you make the real money, guys. Now, what is the strategy, guys? If your video is about funny cats, you're going to design a t-shirt about funny cats, a cat that is doing a funny move or whatever, and you upload it to a t-shirt. You put your design right here, you choose the colors, you choose the fit type, and you publish your design. As simple as that. I've got a video that shows the process from start to finish, so make sure you check out the video down below in the description so you can see how it all works. And then once you've uploaded your design, you then put the link of that design in the description of your video, and this is how we tie in the two parts. The part where we said link in the description in the video, this part right here, and then like I said, we can put the link of the t-shirt here in the description. And now the more views this short gets, the more money we make. Now, even better, as we start making more sales on Amazon, Amazon is going to notice that we're making a lot of sales in that t-shirt and they're going to say, do you know what? Let's promote this t-shirt even more. And now you're going to start getting organic traffic, guys, from Amazon themselves. I'm telling you, this strategy makes crazy money, guys. You just need to apply it and give it a go. And hey, what's the worst that can happen? Now, if you're not sure where to get the designs from, literally just go to Google, type cat PNG, click on images. Now, bear in mind, some of these images are copyrighted, so make sure you click on tools, click on usage rights, and choose Creative Commons licenses only. Again, you can import this image to Canva or use Illustrator or any other graphic design software of your choice. Maybe add a little funny quote to the cat image as well. It's completely your choice. You can use something like Vexel's designs. They have ready-made designs that are good to go. I've got you guys 35% discount, so make sure you check it out down below in the description. Literally, guys, no excuses to start. If you're not sure, just go to Amazon and type funny cat shirts and try to get some inspiration, see what people are selling and do something similar or even better. And because you're driving your own traffic through YouTube, you're not going to worry about the competition because you've got your own traffic, guys. Now, the beauty of this strategy, guys, is you don't have to worry about monetization from YouTube and you'll get paid royalties for every single person that purchases your design. Just put something like funny cat merch here or something like that, plus your link, of course, and start crushing it, guys. Make sure you choose a popular niche like cats or dogs or funny sarcastic jokes, something that has a wide appeal, because that will give you the best potential to make a lot of money. So ultimately, more views equate more revenue for you because more people will know that you've got your merch there and the more chance you have of selling your merch. If you got any value from this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below and hit the notification bell button so that you guys can get the videos as soon as I upload them. Share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.